Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Yasser and you are watching me on YasTech. In today's video, we are going to explore one of the most commonly used network layouts in computer networking, the star topology. From home network to the office setup, this structure plays a major role in how devices connect and communicate efficiently. We will look at how it works, where it is used, and why it is so popular, along with its advantages and drawbacks. So stay tuned. And if you are enjoying this tech breakdown, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update. The network topology can be categorized into four types such as mesh, star, bus, and ring. As mentioned in the previous video, we have discussed the mesh topology in the previous video. Now in this video, we will be talking about the star topology, one of the most common type of network. In this section, we are going to discuss what is star topology. A star topology is the type of network layout where all the devices or nodes are connected to the central device. The central device or the controller is usually a hub, switch, or router. When one device wants to send data to another, the data first goes to the central hub, which then powers it to the intended device. Hub or switch controls the overall function of the network and it acts like repeater or exchange center. The nodes in the star topology are commonly connected to the trusted pair cable, however it can be coaxial or optical fiber as well. Star topology is widely used in home, schools, office network because it is simple, reliable, and easy to expand. In this section, we are going to discuss the working of star topology. As previously mentioned, that in star topology, all the devices in the network are connected to the central device, usually a hub, switch, or router. This central device acts as a controller or communication hub. When one device wants to send data to another, it doesn't send it directly, but instead, the data first goes to the central hub or switch. Then the hub or switch forward that data to the intended device. This makes the communication organized and easy to manage. For example, if computer A wants to send message to computer B, the data goes from A to the switch and then it goes to B. The main benefit is that if one device fails, then it doesn't affect the rest of the network. But if the central hub fails, the whole network goes down because all the communication is depends on it. In this section, we are going to discuss the different advantages of star topology. This form of network offers several advantages. Let's discuss each one of them. The first one is centralized control or management. All the data passes through a central device, making it easier to monitor and secure the network. The second one is easy installation. Since all the devices are connected through a central hub, it is simple to manage and troubleshoot the network. The third one is fault detection and isolation. It is easy to identify the faults in the star network. For example, if a particular device is not working, then problem may be with link port or the device itself. Similarly, if one computer or cable fails, then it doesn't affect the rest of the network. Only that device gets disconnected. The fourth one is adding or removal. It is easy to add device or remove in this form of topology. You can easily connect or disconnect device without disrupting the entire network. And finally, we come to the node or link failure. In this form of network, if a particular device or link is broken or fails, then it doesn't affect the operation and working of the entire network. And finally, we are up to discuss the disadvantages of star topology. The star topology, there are several drawbacks that we are going to highlight. The first one is more cabling. This topology needs more cable than bus topology that we will be discussing in the next video. Since each device needs its own cable to be connected to the central hub, the amount of cabling increases. This can become expensive, especially in the large networks. The second disadvantage is single point dependency or failure. The biggest issue is that the entire network depends on the central hub or switch. If this central device such as hub or switch or router fails, the whole network goes down. No device will be able to communicate even though all the other connections are fine. And finally, we come to the cost or pricing issue. Star topology can get expensive, especially when you are setting up a large network. Why? Because in this setup, each device needs its own separate cable to connect to the central hub or switch. So if you have 20 computers, you need 20 cables, one for each. That is a lot of wiring. Not just that, you also need a high quality hub or switch with enough ports to support all the devices. These network devices can be costly, especially for large network. So, the more devices you add, the more cost increases due to the extra cable, ports, and central devices. That is why star topology is often not suitable for large areas or budget-limited setups like schools or small businesses. Let's wrap it up. Star topology is one of the most popular network designs today, and for good reason. It is simple, easy to manage and reliable when the central device is working well. But like every system, it has its downsides, such as high cost and dependence on a single central hub. It is great choice for homes, offices and places where performance and control matter more than budget. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful and easy to understand. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. For more simple and tech related content, hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Got question or suggestion? Drop them in comment below. I will love to respond you.